everyone, this is Trent with All Things Automotive. Thank you for shopping and thank you for clicking that play button. Today you're taking a closer look at our 2017 Chrysler Pacifica Touring-L. With just under 37,000 miles, this Pacifica is equipped with a 3.6-liter V6 gas engine. It is front-wheel drive and it also has a clean CARFAX with 3 previous owners. In the front, you will find this Chrysler well equipped with high-intensity headlights, LED daytime running lights, and fog lights integrated into the lower bumper. Making our way down to the wheel and tire setup, you'll have an 18-inch alloy wheel wrapped up in a like-new tire, and we'll get into the exact tread depth here in just a moment. On the outside, you'll enjoy nice features like paint-match mirror caps, and on the reverse side, you will have blind spot monitoring, and both mirrors are heated. You'll also have passive door entry. Looking inside, you'll be met with a black and tan interior with nice elements such as leather and stitching and some brushed aluminum with some high gloss elements. And as you can see, that will continue throughout the entire interior of this Pacifica. And once inside, you'll be kept comfortable by these heated front seats with leather upholstery. Located in the glove box of all of our vehicles, you will find the multi-point inspection report. Here you can see all the tires are 11/32 all the way around. The brake pads are good to go, and everything else is green, checked off by our technicians. And guys, we take care of the wearables here at All Things Automotive, so you don't have to replace those wearables shortly after purchasing. Making our way to the back seat, you will also notice nice features like power doors again, keyless entry here, as long as you have that proximity key on you, so you have a nice power door. Plenty of space back here, as you can see, nice open concept. You do have the captain's chairs along with your Stow-N Go, so all those seats are going to fold down into the floor, making a very dynamic space. And as you can see, you will have easy access to that third row. And as you can see, with one push of the button, that side door will close very easy if you got your hands full with the kids, the groceries, everything like that. As you can see at the rear, you will have a high definition rear camera and rear proximity sensors. And on this particular model, which is the, or trim level, which is the Touring, you will also have this power lift gate, which is really nice. Again, all the seats will fold flat, Stow-N Go. Over here to the left, you will have your lift gate button. Making our way to the driver door, you'll notice all your powered options such as power door locks, safety locks with power windows, and power adjustable mirrors. To the left of the steering wheel, you will have a general lamp selector followed up with a brightness and dimming controller for your interior and cluster lighting. Additionally, here at All Things Automotive, you will receive 2 keys for your added convenience. And as you can see, let me go ahead and focus in on that. Lock, unlock, liftgate release, remote start, and all of your door controls and a panic button. Once inside, to the right of the steering wheel, you will have your push button start. Let's go ahead and confirm the mileage here in the center display. Just over 30 or just under 37,000 miles here on this Pacifica. As far as steering wheel-matic controls are concerned, you will have a selector for that center screen to the left, and you'll have your phone pairing button. So you do have the capability to pair your phone via Bluetooth and be hands-free, and that does include Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. And over to the right, we will have our cruise control selections. Now bringing our attention to the center display and infotainment system. As far as other media is concerned, you'll have your standard AM, FM, XM radio, Bluetooth connectivity, and you will have onboard navigation. Now once I engage the rear camera, I like how it takes up the whole screen here. So you have a nice crystal clear display with your guidance lines. Down below, you'll have options for your auto start and stop. Proximities, you can turn those on and off as well, along with your traction control on and off. Some simple radio controls on either side, and your dual automatic climate control. So either side can stay comfortable, and you can access your nice amenities like your heated seats here right on the screen. You will also have an electronic parking brake, and down below, nice storage features here. Nice slide out storage compartment there with USB outlets and an auxiliary for alternative audio. Nice open concept here in the middle, plenty of storage space down below. And as you can see, you will have a USB and a 12-volt outlet, 2 cup holders up top. Let's go ahead and take a look here. It doesn't stop with the features. You will have integrated garage door openers, and you will also have lift gate controls here along with your power door controls. A little bit of storage for your sunnies there. And you will have an auto-dimming rearview mirror with your SOS and assist services. So at this point, let's go ahead and take a look under the hood. Under the hood, you will find a 3.6-liter V6 naturally aspirated gas engine. As you can see, super clean. no evidence of exhaust leaks, oil leaks, or anything of that nature. Brand new Napa Legend battery here, no corrosion on the battery terminals. Our crew does a fantastic job of making these vehicles ready for the next buyer. And along with that multi-point inspection, this Chrysler Pacifica has received a fresh oil change, new cabin air filter, and a fresh Pennsylvania State inspection. In the last portion of this video, we will go over any dings, dents, or imperfections you may or may not find on this van. Keeping in mind that it's a pre-owned vehicle, none are perfect, but we do like to make them as clean as possible here at All Things Automotive. Starting in the front, right on the hood, very clean, no stone chips or blemishes or anything like that. Your matte black grille insert is in great shape and your headlights are clear. No cracks, no condensation, no hazing, no fading. A little bit of wear and tear from the road here on your lower bumper area, but other than that, really great shape so far here, guys. Coming around to your wheel and tire setup, no curb rash on those nice bright alloy wheels all the way up to your A-pillar chrome trim and your paint match mirror cap. Really good shape, maybe a small blemish right there. Other than that, really good. Not a lot of scratches around these door handles, guys. You will have some blemishes here on your high gloss black portions on the outer door. Looking inside, very clean. No rip stains, tears, or anything like that, and no odors. Super important here at All Things Automotive, no smoke odors. And then your leather seats are in great condition as well, as you can see. No rip stains, tears, or anything like that, and your headliner is very clean. Let's go ahead and take a look into the middle row around your captain's chairs here. Again, leather is in great shape, no rip stains or tears. Carpets, very clean. Looks like we'll have some scuffs on the hard backing of the seats. Other than that, let's go ahead and take a look at your third row. Again, very good shape, clean carpets, headliner continues to be clean. As you can see, that power door is very functional. Tail lights are nice and clear, no cracks, no condensation, all the way down to your lower bumper by your rear proximities. You are going to have some scuffs and scratches just below your lift gate. Other than that, very clean, guys. Hard to pick this one apart. Coming up the driver's side, no dents or dings to the vehicle body, maybe a paint chip here, a couple touch-up spots. But other than that, following the body line, very nice. Your chrome trim, no peeling of that coating. And then around your door handles, very good. Your high gloss black portions, very good. And your driver door card, very clean. Left side bolster on your driver's seat, again, very clean. If you have any questions on this Chrysler Pacifica, give us a call at All Things Automotive. You can reach us at 717-485-4224. Hit option 3 for sales. Additionally, you can shop online 24/7 at allthingsautomotive.com. And guys, you can even get yourself pre-approved on a vehicle like this. It's super easy. It only takes about 10 minutes of your time. And make sure you ask your sales consultant about extended coverage, because this Pacifica will qualify. So we hope to see you guys at 21518 Great Cove Road, McCollumsburg, Pennsylvania. Again, my name is Trent. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe.